Good morning to students of class 7. Yesterday I had solved question number 19, 20 of 1.1, exercise 1.1. Today I am going to solve 22 number problem. 22 number problem. 21 number is left. At first, I solved 21 number question. Question number 21. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account. In his bank account, and withdraws rupees 1642 rupees from it. The next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer. Then how will you represent? Then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account. After the withdrawal. According to question, Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account. मोहन अपने बैंक खाते में 2000 रुपया जमा करता है एंड विथड्रॉल रुपीज 1642 और 1642 रुपया निकाल लेता है. अगले दिन वह उसमें से 1642 रुपया निकाल लेता है. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer. अगर यदि निकाले गए रकम खाते से निकाले गए रकम को यदि ऋणात्मक पूर्णांक से रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता दिखाया जाता है, देन हाउ विल यू रिप्रेजेंट द अमाउंट डिपोजिटेड? तब तुम कैसे अमाउंट को दर्शाओगे? जमा किए गए रकम को कैसे दर्शाओगे? फाइंड द बैलेंस इन मोहन्स अकाउंट आफ्टर द विथड्रॉल। अब मोहन के खाते में कितने रुपए शेष बचते हैं? मोहन के खाते में कितने रुपए शेष बचते हैं? टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, मोहन डिपॉजिट्स rupees 2000 in his account. He withdrawn withdraws rupees 1642. Therefore, the final amount in Mohan's account is equal to rupees 2000 minus 1642 is equal to rupees 358. Answer. Mohan deposits 2000 rupees in his bank account, and the next day he withdraws rupees 1642. Therefore, the final amount in Mohan's account is equal to 2000 minus 1642 is equal to rupees 358 rupees. So the balance in Mohan's account is equal after withdrawal is equal to 352 rupees. Next question, I am going to teach you question number 22. At Srinagar, question is, at Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees C. Minus 5 degrees C on Monday. And then it dropped by, by 2 degrees C on Tuesday. What was the temperature? What was the temperature? What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? on Tuesday. On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees C. It rose by 4 degrees C. What was the temperature on this day? What was the temperature? What was the temperature on this day? On this day. Answer. At Srinagar temperature, to understand this question, at Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degrees C on Monday. सोमवार को श्रीनगर का तापमान माइनस 5 डिग्री सी था, एंड देन ड्रॉप्ड इट बाय 2 डिग्री सी ऑन ट्यूसडे. और मंगलवार को का तापमान 2 डिग्री सी घट गया. व्हाट वाज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ श्रीनगर ऑन ट्यूसडे? मंगलवार को कितना तापमान था? यू हैव टू आस्क व्हाट वाज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ श्रीनगर ऑन ट्यूसडे? मंगलवार को श्रीनगर का तापमान क्या था? ऑन वेडनेसडे इट रोज बाय 4 डिग्री सी. और फिर व्हाट वाज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ श्रीनगर? मंगलवार को कितना तापमान था? ऑन वेडनेसडे इट रोज बाय 4 डिग्री. और बुधवार को फिर 4 डिग्री सी तापमान बढ़ गया. व्हाट वाज द टेम्परेचर ऑन दिस डे? तो उस दिन कितना तापमान था? श्रीनगर का तापमान कितना था? टेम्परेचर एट श्रीनगर ऑन मंडे. To solve this question, temperature at Srinagar on Monday was minus 5 degrees C. Temperature at Srinagar on Tuesday was minus 2 degrees C, dropped by 2 degrees C. Was temperature at Srinagar on Tuesday was and it dropped by 2 degrees C. Temperature at Srinagar on Tuesday was minus 2 degrees C. You have to ask that what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday. So the temperature So the temperature on Tuesday is equal to minus 5 degrees C plus minus 2 degrees C is equal to minus 7 degrees C. Again, on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees C. On Wednesday, temperature at Srinagar on Wednesday temperature, again the temperature, again the temperature on Wednesday, rose by 4 degrees C. Thus the temperature at Srinagar on Wednesday is equal to -7 degrees C plus -7 degrees C plus 4 degrees C is equal to -2 degrees C. Answer. Here we see that temperature at Srinagar on Monday was -5 degrees C. It dropped by 2 degrees C on Tuesday. So the temperature on Tuesday by -5 degrees C plus -2 degrees C. I have written -2 degrees C because temperature is decreasing. So we wrote -2 degrees C. The temperature on Tuesday is equal to -5 degrees C plus -2 degrees C is equal to -7 degrees C. After that, the temperature at Srinagar rose by 4 degrees C on Wednesday. Thus, the temperature at Srinagar on Wednesday is equal to -7 degrees C plus 4 degrees C is equal to -2 degrees C. Now, to question 23. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine. It is exactly above a submarine. Floating above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance What is the vertical distance between them? I'm going to clear this question. A plane is flying at the height of 5000 मीटर above the sea level. एक जहाज समुद्र तल से 5000 मीटर की ऊंचाई पर उड़ रहा है. एक हवाई जहाज समुद्र तल से 5000 मीटर की ऊंचाई पर उड़ रहा है. एट ए पर्टिकुलर टाइम, एक खास बिंदु पर, it is exactly above the submarine floating 1200 मीटर below the sea level. एक खास बिंदु पर एक पानी का जहाज समुद्र तल से 1200 मीटर नीचे तैर रहा है. What is the vertical distance between them? दोनों के बीच की उदग्र दूरी कितनी है? You have to solve this question. Answer 23. Height of plane above sea level is equal to height of the plane above the sea level. Height of the plane above the sea level is equal to 5000 meter, and height of the submarine below the sea level is equal to 1200 meter. Now we have to find the distance between the plane and the submarine. Now the vertical distance between the plane and submarine is equal to 5000 minus 1200, because here we took 1200 minus, because distance is measuring below the sea level, so we take minus sign, is equal to 5000 plus 1200 is equal to 6200 meter. 6200 meter. The distance between the plane and submarine, vertical distance, is equal to 6200 meter. Now two questions are left in this exercise. 24 number and 25 number are left. So in next class I will solve this question. You will try. You will try also, and again repeat this problem. Repeat this exercise. Next class.